Writing and Political Science, a guide for beginners. Hello there! If you've ever been curious about how academic writing differs across disciplines, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of political science. Whether you're a budding political analyst or just someone interested in the field, this guide will help you understand the nuances of writing and political science. Political science is the study of politics, government systems, and political behavior. Writing in this discipline often involves analysis, argumentation, and critical evaluation. Let's explore some of the key features. 1. Objective tone. Unlike creative writing, political science demands an objective tone. It means your opinions should be backed by evidence and research. 2. Clear thesis. Every piece should have a clear point or argument, commonly referred to as a thesis statement. This guides your reader on what to expect. 3. Structured arguments. After presenting your thesis, support it with logical arguments and evidence. Organize these in a clear, structured manner. There are various forms of writing within political science. Here are some common ones. 1. Research papers. These are detailed essays based on thorough research. You present an argument and support it using evidence from various sources. 2. Policy briefs. Short, concise documents that present recommendations to policymakers. They're written in a persuasive manner to advocate for a particular policy or solution. 3. Book reviews. Analysis and critique of books related to political topics. Unlike typical reviews, these focus on the theoretical framework, methodology, and arguments presented. Evidence is the backbone of political science writing. Here's how to use it. 1. Diverse sources. Draw from a mix of scholarly articles, books, and reputable news sources. This lends credibility to your arguments. 2. Cite correctly. Always give credit to your sources. Political science often uses the APA or Chicago citation styles. Familiarize yourself with them. 3. Avoid plagiarism. Always use your own words or quote directly, with proper citations. Plagiarism is a serious offense in academic writing. No first draft is perfect. Here's why revision is key. 1. Clarity. Reading your work multiple times helps in refining your arguments and making them clearer. 2. Feedback. Have peers or mentors review your work. Fresh eyes can catch mistakes or areas of improvement. 3. Polish. Ensure proper grammar, spelling, and adherence to citation styles. Small mistakes can undermine your credibility. Writing in political science can be challenging, but with the right tools and understanding, it becomes an enriching experience. Remember, like all skills, it gets easier with practice. We hope this guide aids you in your journey. Happy writing!